feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree. So, it's gonna start on the G. The strumming pattern I'm using is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. One of the most important strumming patterns to learn. If you don't know it, just practice it super slow. Look up some videos too that you can play along to that strumming pattern. There's tons out there that'll help you learn it. So, G, rocking around the Christmas tree, to the D, party hop. Mistletoe hang where you can see, every G tries to stop. G around the Christmas tree, let the D spirit ring. D will have some pumpkin pie, and we'll go back to the G. Now to the C. You will get a sentimental feeling, B minor, when you hear E minor, voices singing, let's be jolly. A, and then take a little pause. Deck the halls with D, boughs of holly. G, you already know this part.